Hello, welcome to Bindlestiff Nation. This is Bindlestiff Joe, and today we're going to be making some homemade yogurt. Actually, I'm going to be making a double batch. I'm going to only show you the first batch, but usually I make about 2 gallons at a time. And because I do two batches, I tend to make two starter out of the first batch. And that's the starter there from the last batch. And there's the milk. And I use fat-free milk, but you can use whatever you prefer, but I prefer my yogurt and milk to be fat-free. And when you're doing this, you're going to want to use a double boiler. If you put the pan right on the stove, you're going to scorch the milk and you're going to make a terrible mess. So you definitely want to have a double boiler. And you don't have to make a big batch like this. You can make a smaller batch if you need to. If you keep your eyes open at yard sales, sometimes you can find these old-fashioned yogurt makers. They basically do 4 or 5 cups at a pop. They're usually missing some parts. This is actually 2 put together. One that I stole from my mother, and one that I bought at a yard sale. And the only thing that I'm missing here is the spoon with the thermometer in it. But these are nice because it takes only about 4 hours as opposed to a day for the yogurt to set up. And when you're done, when it's done cooking, basically you want to let it go until it starts steaming, and then take it off and give it a water bath. You want to leave the lid on while you're filling it up with water. But then after it's full, the water's filled up, you want to take the lid off so that it cools quicker. And once it's cool, you just need to get it down to about body temperature. You don't need it to be too terribly cool, but you definitely don't want it to put your finger in it and it burns your finger. It's too hot. It's too hot for the yogurt culture. And you just mix it in the culture, and it doesn't take much to stir it in, and it stays suspended pretty good. So once you're and a word about the culture, when you're making culture, you don't need a ton of it. I found out I was having trouble with my yogurt setting, and it turned out I was using too much of the starter culture in the batch. So I cut back by how much I was using, and it sets a lot faster now. They do recommend putting it someplace warm, but you can just set it on the counter, and usually takes about a day, a little less. And I like to pour the whey off the top. You don't have to. There's no real reason to do it. I just don't like the whey, so I dump it out. Alright, and then you're going to want to put it in the refrigerator and keep it refrigerated, obviously, until you're ready to eat it. Alright, well, thank you for watching. like and subscribe. This is Bindlestiff Joe for Bindlestiff Nation, and bon appetit.